This course on Udemy has over 1.3 million sales, and this one has over 1.8 million sales. Now, assuming each course was sold at the minimum amount of $19 each, then that's over $34 million, minus a 50% commission for Udemy, and that's approximately 17 million from one course for this content creator, which is absolutely insane, especially as it's something they only had to create once, and can quite literally sell over 1 million times, generating passive income for years to come. Now imagine for a second if that was a physical product. You would have to deal with suppliers, get products made and shipped, stored and delivered. I mean, how many t-shirts would you have to sell to make over $17 million? I feel tired just trying to think about it. But with digital products, everything is automated. This is the power of online courses, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a piece of this pie yourself using just AI tools. And I know what you're thinking, Gareth, this is an anomaly. There's no way I can make that much money. And you're probably right, but as they say, if you shoot for the moon, then you'll at least hit the stars. And as someone that makes thousands of dollars each month with different course sales, I can say with confidence that this is very doable, and thanks to new AI tools, it's even easier than ever. Maybe you already have an idea or a niche and just want AI to do some of the work for you. Or this is the first time you've thought about it. The online course industry is absolutely booming right now, and I have at least one course attached to each one of my YouTube channels. It's one of the best ways to monetize your views, especially as you don't need millions of views to earn a good living, just a few thousand well-targeted ones. But the courses I previously created came with a massive investment in terms of both time and money. The one on this channel took me months to make, but now AI can do most, if not all, of the work for you. So today I want to take you through two methods, one that is more manual and another that uses a new form of AI to do the research, planning, and even the content creation for you. I highly recommend watching both, as understanding how to manually do things will better prepare you for using the AI tools properly. Method 1, the more manual method. The first step in this method is research. We need to find out what's sold the most in the past and what's actually selling now. So the most popular and trending topics. To do this, we need to go to one of the big course platforms out there. I personally like using Udemy, as it's a bit like the Amazon for online courses. They literally have every course in every possible niche you can imagine. Once inside, you can search based on your niche using the search bar at the top, or by scrolling through the homepage where they show most of the top performing courses. When on the homepage, two sections normally stand out: a broad section of courses and top categories. These sections will lead you to some of the best performing courses Udemy has. Remember, Udemy has an algorithm just like Amazon, so it's going to recommend the courses that sell best. From here, you want to delve deeper into topics and sub-niches. Take the time to go through most of the popular and trending courses. Then when you have your course idea, you want to click into it. From here, you can see the feedback, reviews, course contents, and a full breakdown of what you will actually learn in the course. So make sure to dig deep into the comments and reviews section to see what people said was bad about it or what was missing. This will help you improve the course and make your future course stand out even more. Now, on a quick sidebar, it's worth noting that if you want to use AI as much as possible, then you will want to pick beginners style courses or less visual topics. Otherwise, you're going to have to create complicated screen recordings later on. So more theoretical courses are going to be easier to create with AI tools, at least for now. For example, an advanced course on Excel spreadsheets will require screen recordings AI just currently can't do for you. Your next step will be creating your content outline for your course and modules. This can be a combination of what's inside the top courses and what people said was missing. If you want to make your life even easier, then I would recommend that you buy the course and use tools like Descript to record a transcript of the videos. Then you can use ChatGPT or other AI writing tools to rewrite the content for your own videos later. Just make sure that they are original, don't copy directly. From here, you want to get ChatGPT to create the scripts for each video. Make sure to fact check if required. Remember, ChatGPT can only rewrite or reword scripts that are about 6 minutes long, though it is getting better here. So if your videos are longer, you may need to break them down into sections to get the best results for your scripts. Then, once you have your scripts, use AI text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs to create human-like voices. Now, don't worry, I'll put links and resources to all of the tools I use and recommend in this video inside the description below, along with any free accounts or discounts that are available. Now, you could use a human-like AI presentation tool like HeyGen to have a live presenter inside of your videos, but I personally prefer the realistic voices of 11 Labs, and I'm not convinced that people like watching these types of videos for courses. People still get funny about learning from AI. Better they think it's just a faceless video with a real human voice on the other end of it. HeyGen's voices can sound a little bit robotic, at least at the time of recording this. Now, if you're already a faceless YouTube creator or you've watched previous videos on this channel, then this is where your AI tools and skills come into play. If not, I'll also link to a good AI workshop in the video description that can show you how to do all of this. You could use Canva to build out classic slide presentations or Pictory for mixed video and image videos. It just depends what style works best for your chosen niche and course. You can even ask ChatGPT to create these slides for you and use Pictory or Descript to bring them all together. There are literally so many ways to create high quality faceless videos out there these days. Or you could of course go old school and record the scripts and videos yourself to give it the human touch. These types of courses are still generally seen as being more high value, but select what style works best for you and your brand. Obviously, being in the videos will take much more work for you. Next up, we need to get ready for delivering the complete course in an automated and secure way. To do this, you need to upload your content to a learning platform. There are two main options here. Uploading to a platform like Udemy, where they do all of the marketing and selling for you, but they do take at least 50% of the earnings, and you'll be competing against the very courses you just decided to replicate yourself, which can work out if there's enough demand and your course is better or at least of similar quality. But obviously, it only takes a few bad reviews to knock you down the rankings in the algorithm. So if you do this, then try to make sure your course is a little bit different to stand out. Or maybe offer a combination of two courses to make it even better and bigger. The other way is selling it yourself. If you have a traffic source like a YouTube channel, then this is the best way in my opinion, as you can build out your own school with multiple courses and keep 100% of the profit. Plus you aren't competing against anyone else. I use a tool called LearnWorlds for this, as it's simple and easy to use and allows me to build out multiple schools for different channels. So that's the manual method of creating online courses. Method 2 gets AI to do more of the work for you. A quick sidebar before we get started, and a pro tip that I've learned is, yes, you can get AI to do most of the work for you, but don't be too lazy. I mean, ChatGPT 4 and some of these writing tools are absolutely amazing. However, the more effort that you put in my experience, the more money you are likely to make and the lower your refund rate will be. Sure, you can make some fast cash, but a good, well thought out course that actually delivers the desired result that the student wants will make you money for years to come. Okay, back to it. The AI tool that I love and use for method 2 is called Eureka. Again, I'll put links in the video description. This tool basically automates everything that we did in method 1. It searches topics and niches, giving you ideas en masse, showing how many courses have been sold and approximately how much they have made in total, which is a great way to find opportunities that are actually going to be worth your time. Just enter the main keyword for the niche idea you have, or use a few of the main topic ideas from inside Udemy if you're stuck here. This, for example, could be weight loss. Just enter the keyword and click search, and in a few moments it will display hundreds of courses listing the average price and overall opportunity score, which uses an algorithm with ratios weighing enrollments per course and the likelihood of getting a minimum of 2,000 enrollments, plus other ratios and calculations, which helps show how successful a course in this niche could potentially be. They actually have a full 30-minute walkthrough of how it works, which I really recommend watching before you get started. You then have the filter tabs across the top for going even more niche. One I really like is badge, where it selects the best sellers and highest rated from all of the course platforms out there. The course results it generates are listed below. You can see the length, earnings, and number of sales at a glance. You can also click each course for more details. Inside here you have a description, course outline, and even reviews. You can click the AI gap analysis and it will give you feedback on what potentially is missing and needs improvement. You can then save it into your library if relevant for creating ideas later. I can see here that people like hypnosis, fasting, and mini habits, which are topics I wouldn't have thought of for weight loss myself. A good idea may be combining two of these topics for an even better course. From here, you can go into the AI Lesson Architect or Content Planner to start building out your course content and lessons. These are basically connected to ChatGPT, however they organize everything, storing progress, and making your prompts better than using ChatGPT on its own. It gives you the framework and guidance you need to build out your course. You'll still need to create your faceless videos with either AI or outsourcing, and then upload them to Udemy or LearnWorlds for selling. But the research planning and scripting are the hardest part of the process, and it can take months to do. Eureka makes that process much faster and easier. With that said, if you would like to learn how to sell your online course by creating your profitable YouTube channel, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.